Bonjour, comment allez-vous? Hello, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn French with Anubhav. If you have already subscribed to my channel, press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Today's class, we will be discussing another topic under the French vocabulary, which is les choses or les articles de la chambre. Things in the bedroom. The things which we find in a bedroom, we will be discussing it today. I have enlisted 10 things right here. Let's get started. The first one, le lit. T not to be pronounced, it's a masculine term, le lit. So, le lit translates to the bed upon which we sleep. So, le lit, the bed. I have written these articles, le, le, l apostrophe, la, to just indicate the number and the gender of the object, and the literal translation will be having the, but the I haven't written every time because it will be quite tedious to write the same thing again and again. I hope you understand that le la le translates to the. I am not writing the again and again. So le lit, the bed upon which we sleep. So on the bed there is the sheets. So sheets or the bed sheet, we have the word drap. Like its pronunciation will be like DHRA, drap. Not like drapes, not like drapes, it will be drap. Les draps. It's a plural term, so les draps, the sheets or the bed sheets. On the bed sheets, we will be having the pillow. So pillow or pillows. So we have the word oreiller, O-R-E-I-L-L-E-R. Oreiller, double L, not to be pronounced. So oreiller is the word for singular pillow, and if we need to say les oreillers, we will add an S right here. Pronunciation will be the same, oreiller only, and that will become pillows. On the bed, there will be one more thing, la couverture. La couverture. C-O-U-V-E-R-T-U-R-E. It's not like couverture or something, it will be couverture. So couverture, the blanket. Next to the bed or next to the lit, we will be having the closet, like la penderie. P-E-N-D-E-R-I-E, penderie, the closet or the wardrobe. And it's a feminine term, hence I have written la. Now let's move towards the sixth term, la commode. C-O-M-M-O-D-E, commode. La commode, the dresser or the dressing table. La commode, the dresser. Seventh, we have the word réveil, similar to réveiller, and réveil's work is also the same. Like réveiller, the verb means to wake up, and an alarm clock helps us to wake up. So for the word alarm clock, it's justified to have a word like réveil. Le réveil. And why rare pronunciation? Because of the accent aigu right here. So le réveil, alarm clock. The eighth one, we have le centre. Le centre. Mind it, like long time back I might have discussed that if E comes at the end of a noun or an object, that object in most of the cases is feminine. But look here, centre ending with E, but I have written le, which is masculine. So there are some exceptions, mind it. So le centre, hanger. Of course one needs hanger. Like inside the penderie or the wardrobe, the clothes will be hung with the help of the hanger only, right? Ninth one, another item, we have la table de nuit. La table de nuit, the nightstand or the night table or the bed table, anything you would like to call, like the small table which is kept just close to the bed, on which we have the lamp or photographs or anything which we could keep. So la table de nuit, nightstand. And the 10th, the last term for today's video, is l'armoire, another term used for wardrobe, l'armoire. L apostrophe because armoire begins with a vowel and the spelling goes like A-R-M-O-I-R-E, armoire. L'armoire, wardrobe. Let's recapitulate all the 10 items which we discussed today. First one, le lit, the bed, les draps, the sheets, l'oreiller, the pillow, la couverture, the blanket, la penderie, the closet or the wardrobe, la commode, the dresser, the dressing table, le réveil, the alarm clock, le centre, the hanger, la table de nuit, nightstand, and lastly, l'armoire, the wardrobe. Stay tuned, Judy. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Learn French with Anubhav. You may also like my Facebook page by the same name, Learn French with Anubhav. Thanks for watching. Au revoir, n'oubliez pas que la langue française est l'amour.